What's going on, everybody? We are here today doing glow plug harness and glow plug replacement. I'm just gonna give you kind of some tips on how to make the job a lot easier instead of having to go in from the top of the motor to get down to the glow plugs and glow plug harnesses. This is the driver's side, which is arguably probably the harder side of the two. I would recommend just pulling the fender liners. You don't have to remove the wheel if you don't want to. I did it just so I could get up in here a little bit easier. But as you can see, it is way easier to get into your glow plug harness area and to the glow plugs with the fender liner removed. I mean, I can get my hands just literally reach up and touch where they go right there. And then you just follow it along, do 4 on this side. The passenger side's even easier. I didn't even lift the truck up, just pop the fender liner off and replace them. If y'all are wondering where the ends of these harnesses connect to, I'm gonna climb up on top up here. So on the driver's side, the harnesses will come up here. This is, of course, I've removed the intake, as you can see. Harnesses comes up here, right up next to the ficum, and it bolts right there, unclips. You unplug it, and then just chase it down there, and plug them into the glow plugs. On your passenger side, this side's completely bolted back up, but this is the harness here. It comes up next to your glow plug control module, goes along the back side of the intercooler, and kind of hard to see back here, but it bolts, well, not bolts, it clips right here is where it's it plugs in at. So very simple to do glow plugs in your driveway. Like I said, just pull the fender wells, pull your air box. Very easy job. Don't have to lay on top of the motor or anything like that. So if you guys have any tips or not tips, I'm the one giving y'all tips. If you have any questions or anything like that, just throw it down in the comment section. For those of you wondering on the tools needed to remove this, I got the glow plug removal tool. I want to say it was from Diesel Power Products. When I bought the harness and the plugs, they sent me one of the little glow plug harness removal tools. And then everything else, yeah, super straightforward and simple job. So have a good one.